Hello, my fourth graders. I hope you've had a good weekend and I hope you are still staying healthy and getting so smart as you watch our videos and do your work. And I hope that if you have questions, you'll email because I would love to help you if you have questions and you're getting confused about something, okay? So email if you have a question and you can't figure it out. Otherwise, just make sure you're watching the lessons and usually that will help you enough that you can get through the assignment, okay? Today we're looking at the metric system again, and we're going to be measuring with mass and volume using the metric system. So I wanted to review the steps in the metric system and how to make that little chart. So what I always like to do is start by saying King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so then I know that I have my K here for K. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so then I know I have my kilo, kilo, hecta, deca. This is my unit. So if I'm using liters, it would go there. Or if I'm using, grams, it would go here, okay? So the unit just is referring to which one are we using, and if it's liters, liters would go here. If we're using grams, grams would go there. Then we go down and go to deci, centi, and milli, okay? So when we are using mass and we're using grams, we're measuring mass. Mass means we are going to be using grams, okay? So we would have a kilogram, hectogram, decagram, and so on, okay? If we're using volume, we are going to be using the liters, okay? Liters, so liters are going to go, instead of grams, we would have liters here and liters here, and all the way down it would be hectoliters, kiloliters, decaliters, liters would go there, and then deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters, okay? So just remember, mass is measured in grams, volume is measured in liters, and we need to get our steps so that we know if we have 10 grams here, then going down, we take away, that would be 1. And then 0.1, 0.01, okay? And if we go up, they're getting bigger and bigger, okay? Did I just do that right? I hope. Let me check. So anyway, make sure that you are writing your steps, getting your numbers figured out, and that you pay attention to the King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, because that will help you know how many steps you're moving, which tells you how many zeros you need to add or take away, okay? You're going to be moving your decimal to the left so many steps or to the right so many steps, depending on how many steps you go down or up, okay? Good luck.